whoever I am right now is because of that one challenge I took. I knew that I couldn't do a job and I was very passionate about fitness. There was a lot of ups and downs in my startup journey. Hello and a big welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be the first video of Evolve with Swadhin. And सच बोलूँ तो मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा फटी पड़ी हुई है. YouTube is something that I never thought I would be getting into, or long form videos, that too in a landscape format, feels a bit weird for me because I've been making content on Instagram for a while. But yes, let's quickly get into the video. The first video of my channel, I really wanted it to be about me. Who am I? Why should you be listening to me? Why should you even be subscribing to my channel? You know, what can you expect out of the future videos? My name is Swadhin Saraf and I come from a very humble city, the city of Patna in Bihar. So I was born and brought up there until I turned 15, and that's when I moved to Delhi with my family. I studied in Patna till class 10th, and then for the plus 2 I went to a hostel in DPS Noida. Again, coming to my student life, I was a very weak student. I never really could get the hang of the subjects that I had. So for me, it has been a very big challenge to, be presentable, if that is the right word. So I've led a very underconfident life. I always thought that, I have no future ahead and I am not going to, get to a good college or have a good career in life. So I just kind of accepted my fate. I was very skinny. I was weak in English. I was completely involved in computer games, playing with a few friends of mine in the apartment, basically wasting my time. I got a hang of reading books when I was in class 6, and that became a good friend of mine. I would spend a lot of my time reading books, and that gave me a lot of clarity and helped me learn a lot, which school could never do for me. That helped me start building up some confidence. So the reason why I'm telling you all of this is because if you're a viewer who's probably in the school or in their plus 2, I just want you to know that you are capable enough. As long as you find something you're passionate about, nothing can stop you, no one can stop you. Have a direction and work towards it and you will achieve whatever you want. So yeah, my school life was not so happening. Took science in my plus 2, but I had no idea about what engineering really entailed. I somehow managed to get around 89% in boards. That did not let me even get good colleges in DU. I gave the JEE mains exams and other private colleges exams, but because I had no idea what I was getting into, I did not prepare for it and I failed all of them miserably. So for me, it was a reality check moment कि यार अब तो real world में आ गए हो, अब क्या करोगे? That's when I decided to take a drop year. In that 1 year, I put my heart and soul into studying, and I somehow managed to crack BITS Pilani, which completely changed my life. So for me, that was my eureka moment. That okay, I took a decision against everyone's wishes and I stood up to it and I delivered. So that moment gave me the confidence I always lacked. Now I got into BITS, I joined the college, I did a 5-year course there. It was MSc in physics and a bachelor's of engineering in manufacturing. So my college life was quite happening. I got a new start to life. I could be whoever I wanted to be. And for me, that made that gave me an opportunity to explore. मैंने कॉलेज में हर चीज़ में हाथ पैर मारा है. I was very active in organizing the fest and उससे मैंने काफ़ी कुछ सीखा, sales, marketing, operations, and that gave me a lot of thrill. मैंने कॉलेज में भी पढ़ाई नहीं करी क्योंकि मेरे अंदर वो पढ़ाई करने का कीड़ा कभी था नहीं. I couldn't fit in the Indian education system. I won't say that it's a bad system. It's very good for people who are well mentored, but if you have no idea what you want to do, then this education system will fail you. And in third year, I felt extremely alone. I felt extremely useless because I had stopped participating in all the other co-curricular activities I had because I was like, क्या करना है life में, figure out करना है मुझे. And I don't know how I just started my fitness journey. It was because of a YouTube video that I saw where there was a challenge that you have to do 100 push-ups every day for 30 days straight. So for me, that sounded like an exciting challenge. मतलब मैंने कभी fitness का एफ भी नहीं कर रखा था, मतलब मैं कभी जिम नहीं गया था. सो आई वॉज कम्प्लीटली क्लूलेस कि फिटनेस होता क्या है. बट बिकॉज आई सॉ दैट चैलेंज एंड बिकॉज आई फेल्ट लाइक डूइंग समथिंग एक्साइटिंग, आई वेंट फॉरवर्ड विद इट. वो 30 दिन मैंने कंसिस्टेंटली हर दिन एक चीज की तरफ फोकस रखा. वो है टू लर्न हाउ टू डू अ प्रॉपर पुशअप एंड गेट टू 100 बाय द एंड ऑफ 30 days. सो आई स्टार्टेड पुशअप्स ऑन डे 0 एंड आई कुड नॉट डू इट करेक्टली. मैं गलत फॉर्म के साथ कर रहा था, जो कि हर इंसान करता है when they start doing a new movement. And I was smart enough to realize my mistake and correct it. I started with very easy regressions like incline push-up, and then slowly, gradually improved myself. And by the end of the 30th day, I could do 10 reps in one set, and I could do 10 sets in a day. So somehow I managed to get 100 push-ups by the 38th day. It changed my life. Whoever I am right now is because of that one challenge I took, and that changed the whole perception of how I look towards anything in life. And once I got through it, I realized that fitness is something I want to really get into. I wanted to dig my claws into it. मतलब मैं बहुत shy और बहुत ही egoistic इंसान हूँ. Shy plus egoistic is a bad combination because that denies me asking for help from others. So I could not take help from people. So I had to do my own research and figure out कि भाई ये फिटनेस किस चिड़िया का नाम है और कैसे एक इंसान अपनी फिटनेस जर्नी स्टार्ट कर सकता है. So I started reading about strength training. I started reading about nutrition, and with every passing month, I would start by getting dumbbells in my room, do home workout with dumbbells, and then gradually move to gym. जिम जाके जिम की मशीन्स के साथ फिर मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंट करना शुरू किया, बारबल के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो इनिशियली मेरी फिजिक अच्छी नहीं थी, अभी भी नहीं है, पर एज आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग स्ट्रॉन्गर, people would see that there's some progress, and they would come and ask advice from me. And that's when I figured out that one size does not fit all. मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो मेरे लिए applicable है क्योंकि मेरा अपना एक background है, अपना एक history है. So I try to explain them what really personalization means and how can it's a few concepts be applied to their journey to optimize it. And with time I started making them progress in the journey, which gave me more validation. And this was around 2020. When COVID happened, we got back home. So for me, I was in my 4th year. I was supposed to apply for jobs. I got a few job offers from a few different companies, but none of them really, got me interested. I knew that I couldn't do a job, and I was very passionate about fitness. And somehow God, landed me with a acquaintance who then turned out to be my co-founder. So on a very random day, I spoke to Pratik. He was my co-founder, and we discussed about the gaps in the current fitness industry and how that can be filled with the help of training and nutrition. And that is the day where Evolve Fit was born. So we set up the company in 2020, and initially our goal was to figure out कि यार ये जो beginners है जैसे मैं था, what can we do to get them started on the fitness journey, and what can we do to ensure that they fall in love with the journey itself. Mainstream media, celebrities and random influencers इतना गोबर फैलाते हैं कि no one really knows what is right and what is wrong. So most people are confused, and because of so much information coming to them, they get into analysis paralysis, and that is what I felt like solving कि यार हर इंसान की जर्नी यूनिक है, पर कुछ बेसिक चीज़ें हैं जो कि स्टिक करती है, जिसको साइंस कहते हैं. और वही साइंस अगर हम अप्लाई करेंगे इन बिगिनर्स की जर्नी में, तो प्रोग्रेस कैन बी सीन एंड हैबिट कैन बी बिल्ट. बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे फिटनेस इट्स नॉट अ वन टाइम एक्टिविटी, इट्स अ लाइफस्टाइल यू नीड टू इनकलकेट. सो knowing all of this, we started a 7-day challenge. It was a very simple challenge. For example, you want to get started on a fitness journey, you would come to me. So I would ask you, let's say your name is Rahul. Rahul, out of 7 days, how many days would you like to work out? So someone might say 6, someone might say 4. Now let's say you say 5 days. Now once you tell me the number of days, I will then ask you again. I'll tell you that Rahul, if you complete the challenge, I'll pay you money as a reward. And for that, you need to stick to the number you committed to. So think again and tell me. Now this questioning made people think twice. For someone who said 5 days, went down to 3 days because they understood that 5 is probably overachieving. Now once they tell me the number of days, I will give them a brief introduction on what strength training means, what nutrition means, what body composition means, so that I can get them started on the challenge. Throughout the 7 days, I would plan their workout, give them on an Excel sheet with exact exercise, reps, sets, with all the information that they've provided me. And I'll also, help them with the diet through the 7 days. And by the end of the challenge, 95% people were able to complete it. There are so many people out there who are not into fitness, and the reason why they're not into fitness is not because they can't do it, it's because they don't know how to. Keeping that in mind, we made around 100 people go through the challenge, got insights and understood what we need to build as a technology. And that's where Evolve Fit's journey started. Fast forward to 2024 now. I have trained almost 1,000 people using Evolve Fit's coaching platform. Now, how did I manage to get here? There was a lot of ups and downs in my startup journey. My co-founders left me in 2022 end, and I was a non-tech guy. So for me, building the product became kind of impossible. So for me, my problem statement was figuring out a way to scale marketing. And the only solution I had was to take matters in my own hands because I did not have any funding. I never tried to raise. So I decided to start my content creation journey. I started with Instagram. It was in 2023, June or July, where I decided that I'll dedicate a lot of my time and effort to make an impact using content. And for that, I started this challenge called 100 Days to Evolve. For 100 continuous days, I posted on Instagram where I would daily vlog my journey about how I'm getting to my workout, how am I meditating, how am I reading a book every day, how am I completing my step targets, and leave nuggets of inspiration so that others can join in with me and get started on the fitness journey. Through that, I was able to inspire more than 1 lakh people. Currently, I have around 113,000 followers on Instagram. So for me, I went through 0 followers to almost 100k plus followers in a period of 6 months, all because I was consistent, I was real, and I was trying to figure out how can I help others. Again, this is something that I'll be sharing more about in my future videos on how you can have a purpose and how can you impact others with your purpose. Overall, it has been quite an interesting journey for me. I have learned a lot. I've committed a lot of mistakes. I have understood a lot of problems that I have. For example, I'm really bad at delegating. I'm really bad at hiring. So I hope that in this YouTube journey, I will be able to solve these big problems for Evolve and scale as fast as I really want to. I'm going to share as much as I can on how someone can get started on the fitness journey. How can you do it on your own if you can't afford a coach? And if you can afford a coach, what exactly can you expect working with a coach at Evolve? I'll talk more about content creation. I'll talk more about setting up your own business, specifically for fitness coaches, because I feel like that's a very untapped industry right now. I'll be covering a lot of these things in the channel. And I hope if any of these things find you appealing, you would be subscribing. And I'll be seeing you in the future videos. Thank you so much for being here till the end. And I hope you evolved today.